Good morning, everyone. You all know Tuesdays we always concentrate on learning about a product. This week, I'm just going to give a overall of what we are going to do the whole week. I know it is going to be like mostly concentrating on eyes. So when it comes to eyes, we have different products. I'm just going to cover the importance from the beauty book itself. That way, it's not too elaborate because I have done individual videos on each one of these topics. So I will link them below. That way you can go back and watch it. Okay. The first product in this eye series is obviously our lash extend, which can help to grow your lashes. So it doesn't have any harmful chemicals in this. So it's always peptides and natural ingredients that's going to help the growth of your lashes. If you are someone who like to have nice and thick lashes, then you can grab this. This one is clear. We do have black. I think we have black and brown. So if it is a colored one, you can use it as a eyeliner too. So this is the first product I wanted to cover about. Here we have, if you see the beauty book, it says lashes appear 25% longer and fuller in only weeks time. And then the important products ingredients here are the senapeptide, which simulates hair growth, the chamoyal extract, anti-irritant with soothing properties, and white tea extract, which is a powerful antioxidant. So those are the ingredients when it comes to our lash extend. As I said, if it is clear, you can use both morning and day, and if it's going to be a black or brown one, then you can use it as an eyeliner in the morning. So you get the benefit, at the same time it will act as your eyeliner too. So that's the first one. So next comes our wonderful shadow sense colors. These are cream to powder shadow sense. So you get to pick individual shadows, and we do have permanent line and limited edition, and we do have some of them which comes as a collection. That means they are already put together, so you can grab. That means for example, if they have 3 colors in there, you will be able to do multiple combinations. And being a cream to powder, you can mix to make your own colors too. And these are water resistant and all day wear, so they are smudge resistant. They won't move or budge the whole day, and they come with anti-aging benefits too. So when it comes to shadow sense, we have 3 types: either matte color, we do carry shimmer colors, and we do carry glitters. So those are the 3 types. Based on your preference, you can always pick them. You can see how pigmented they are. You can blend it out to make it very subtle, or you can make it to layer them to show the pigment too. So it is so versatile. I think yesterday you have seen the video where I have showed it multiple uses of the same product. It is one of the must have if you never tried it. I know we all love our lip sense being smudge resistant, but once you try our shadow sense, then you will be blown out, because a product that has anti-aging benefits, because eyes are the place where it will show signs of aging as the first one. So it's always better to take care of the eyes, because we are constantly blinking, we are constantly moving our eyes. So this way you are going to have anti-aging benefits along with our make. You will have like a 30 seconds to a minute time for it to set. Once it's set, you will just blend and they become like a powder finish, and then it becomes easy. You can see I have swatched them here so that I can show you how they are going to not smudge once it is done. So I'm going to dry it out for a few seconds, and then I will show you. You can try the shadow sense colors in our Sanalook app too, so that way you will know what are the colors that is in stock, because the colors that are in stock in the website, you will be able to try it in our Sanalook app. So if you haven't downloaded it, make sure to download. So the next product we are going to see is our Brow Sense. It's a liquid brow color. You can use to fill it in, and you have a brush that you can use to comb it through. We carry 4 different types. So whether you are a liquid, if you are convenient with liquid to fill your brows, then you can definitely choose this. Or if you want like a more controlled one, then you can choose our shadow sense to do that too. So here we have 4 different colors that comes in this. So I use the dark one. Again, this one is waterproof too. So most of our makeup are either smudge resistant, water resistant, or waterproof itself. So here it is waterproof. Waterproof means Even if you dip in water, you will be able to scratch. If it is water resistant, you can dip it, still it will hold on, but you cannot wipe or do anything. Until then it will stay. Next comes our favorite product, which is our liquid eyeliner. So this is the size. It's almost like our lash extend, which I showed earlier. So here this product is comes with its own brush, which is thin and soft. So you will have more controlled motion even if you are a beginner. So we carry black, black brown. We carry 3 glitters ones in the limited edition, which are Starry Sky, Ocean, which is a blue. Starry Sky is the black one with glitters. We have Ocean, which is blue with glitters, and we have Gilded, which is brown with glitters. And our liquid eyeliners are waterproof. So even if you're going to go swimming or you are in rain, it's not going to come out at all, and they are going to be all day wear again. Here I have our liquid too, so that I can show you at the end all of them. Next comes our pencil eyeliners. You can see how pretty they are. The permanent line has I think navy brown and black brown, whereas our limited edition had quite a few colors. My purple is sold out, I said. Even the brown is I don't have. I think I just have last 2 of green if you are interested. This is again such a perfect way if you are like person who likes to just do in your waterline. These are again smudge resistant and water resistant, and they are all day wear. Let me draw it here, the green one. I wish they bring all the limited edition ones into the permanent line, because these are my favorite creamy ones that I like to do in my waterline. Even the day I don't have any time, or all my 5-minute get ready ones, I always grab the pencil ones, because I am more of a pencil person too. So it makes it easy. So if you're someone who used kajal throughout growing up, this will be equivalent to that. Next comes our 3-in-1 lash primer and our non-waterproof and waterproof mascaras. These are again has an ingredient called Kepixel, which is going to help grow your lashes when you wear them. So if you have never used a lash builder, this is going to condition. That's why it's called 3-in-1. It's going to condition, strengthen and lengthen the lashes, and it comes in a beige color. I know many of you will be worried that why it's in beige, because if it is in black, you won't even know which one you have coated and which one you haven't. But when it is in beige, you can make sure you coat each individual lashes. That way when you go back with your mascara, you will be able to see them clearly and do. And if you compare with others, ours has like a 6 months validity for a mascara, because most of them in the market will be around 3 months. You need to change it. Here we have 6 months. And also we carry both black and black brown in both our waterproof and non-waterproof mascara. These are our permanent line, so you will always be able to grab them. As I was saying, we have an ingredient which is a proprietary ingredient called Kepixel, that is going to help help to grow your lashes. Also had a limited edition once in mascara too. Here we have a royal blue and a purple. I think we had a cyan too. I think it's upstairs. I didn't bring it today. So this is again non-waterproof, but they came as a limited edition. If you're someone who likes to experiment, or if you have a teen or college going kid who likes all these kind of fun stuff, then these are perfect ways to gift them. And one more thing to do is, if you have grabbed the non-waterproof mascara, make sure you the waterproof mascara, make sure you get the Fups liquid limiter, because it is like you need it, because it's not going to come out at all. I have many people will be like, I have tried many mascaras, it's not going to stay. But once they try Senegen's once, they will be amazed on how much its staying power is. It's not going to come out at the end of day. So we have makeup removers in both liquid and wipes. The wipe can take off even every makeup, including the non-waterproof mascara. But if you have got waterproof mascara, then you definitely need our liquid Fups remover. That's when you're going to take it out at the end of night. otherwise it's going to be there even when you sleep and get up. So that's the thing. I think these are the pretty much things we are going to learn the whole week, and I'm really excited to learn along with you, because the more we learn, the more we will be able to appreciate the products. Here all of them are set. You can see whatever I do, I can do whole thing, nothing is going to come out. So you always have the benefit of having a product that is going to stay and also not going to spoil your skin. So why not use it? See, you can see the eyeliners and all, it's not going to smudge at all. Whatever you do, it's going to be there. So make sure you get a product that is really worthy, and then once you have experienced it, then you will be in the hunt of purchasing your next colors onwards. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to link all the videos below so you can check it out, and have a wonderful day, guys.